Hi, I'm Miss Linda. I'm here at the Newburgh Chandler Public Library at our Bell Road branch. Today, I brought you a story called The Boo-Hoo Bird by Jeremy Tankard. I would love to show you a copy of the book, but somebody else is reading it right now, so you'll just have to check for it another time. Bird and Raccoon were playing a game of toss and catch. When Raccoon tossed the ball and bonk, it hit Bird on the head. Ouch, said Bird. That hurt. Oh, oh no, I've hurt Bird. Here, I'll kiss it better. Is that better? No, it still hurts. Oh, my poor head. Oh, I'm sorry, Bird. Let's see if we can find Rabbit. Maybe Rabbit can help. So they went to find Rabbit. Rabbit said, "Oh, you got bonked on the head and now it hurts? Maybe I can help. Let me give you a hug. There. Is that better?" No, it's not helping. Well, let's go find Beaver. He'll know what to do. So they went to find Beaver. Beaver said, "So you got bonked on the head and now it hurts. I think I can help. What you need is a cookie. Hold on, I'll go get one." So Beaver brought back a cookie. "Here you go. Cookies solve everything." "Oh, I can't even eat a cookie. I think I'm getting dizzy." "Oh dear," said Beaver. "I thought cookies would solve every problem. Maybe we better go find Owl. Owl is very wise. He will definitely know what to do." So the animals went to find Owl. Owl looked at Bird's boo-boo. "Oh dear, I see you have a boo-boo. Maybe if we play a game of hide and seek, that will take your mind off of it." "What? You want me to play hide and seek? I can hardly even walk. My head hurts so much. Boo-hoo! Boo-hoo! Oh, poor me." Owl said, "Let's go find Fox. I bet he has a good idea." So they went to find Fox. Fox said, "Oh, you've got a boo-boo on your head? Well, I know just what to do. When we get boo-boos, we always put Band-Aids on them." So, with a little help, Fox put a Band-Aid on Bird's boo-boo. There, does that feel better? No, it's not helping. Boo-hoo! Boo-hoo! Oh, my poor aching head. The animals all started crying. Oh no, nothing is helping Bird's head. Boo, 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 boo. Bird looked at his friends. He felt his head. His head didn't really hurt anymore. Bird said, I think I'm all better now. But his friends couldn't hear him. They were crying too loudly. Oh, poor Bird. Oh, what's he gonna do? I said, I think I'm all better now. See? And Bird stood on his head. The animals all laughed and said, oh, Bird, you are so silly. They decided to stand on their heads too. Bird said, hey, come on, let's play catch. So Fox and Bird started playing catch. When bonk. Uh-oh. Bird got bonked on the head again. Boo! That's the story of the Boo-hoo bird. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.